eat.
Okay.
Now.
The lady of the house is about to try the food.
Wait, do Ava face. Do Ava face.
Ava is not in the mood today. She acting funny. Ava acting funny. What?
I need another spoon and broom.
How you break? Could use it.
It's not right camera.
I could use this one.
It's true.
Give me your honest rating, Jit.
Daddy, look.
Finish your food, Jit.
You ain't do the Jana reaction. She don't.
She can say 10. 10. 10. Like an old lady. Can you goddamn? My camera don't have unlimited storage.
You did the banana. We did that. Y'all did it already?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
This shit busting.
Let's try again.
What you rated, Daisiana?
A 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Okay. What you rated?
A 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
How about you, Ava? What you rated, Ava?
10.
The one that only man rated 10 out of 10.
Messed it up
See?
her food.
Oh no.
Ava, what you rated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Believe it or not, she know how to count to 20. What shocked the hell out of me.
Daddy, that's okay so much.
Some more?
I was just about to ask you, can I get the rest?